Ready? Apex is the India's first fashion entrepreneurship incubator. This is where the raw passion meets the real execution, where ideas turn into real brands. We have spent the last 30 years in manufacturing for very big brand names like Aditya Birla, Arvind, even serving the lot of new age D2C brands like Snitch, Ray Rabbit, and many more. What we have observed over the past few years is there is a huge increase in the demand for Indian fashion D2C brands, and a lot of people like you actually get stuck in the ideation stage but never execute it. That may be for multiple reasons. You don't have the manufacturing unit access, you don't know how to design, you don't know how to source your fabrics, you don't know how to choose a competitive niche. And also, if you figure out all of these things, you actually don't know how to get into the market and actually drive in the sales. That is exactly where Apex Fashion Labs comes into the picture. Whether you are a designer, a fashion enthusiast, or just an individual who don't have idea about the fashion industry, or just someone who want to start their own fashion brand, this is a hands-on incubation program designed to build, launch, and scale your own brand. Here's what you get when you decide to join Apex Fashion Lab. A 12 weeks hands-on session covering everything from fiber to fabric, fabric to fashion, branding, and marketing. Marketing which actually helps you get in the sales. Where you'll be mentored by industry veterans who have actually built the brand from the scratch, and people who are working in big brands like Aditya Birla, Arvind, even the newest D2C brands like Snitch, Ray Rabbit, and many more. Access to our in-house manufacturing ecosystem, which is in the industry from past 3 decades, where you figure out fabric sourcing, prototyping, sampling, costing, and many more. And also, we understand the importance of having a high converting website. So our team is there to build a fully customizable Shopify website where you can actually drive in the sales. Not just this, at the end of this program, you'll be having a chance to pitch your idea or your brand to micro VCs and have a chance to win 3 to 10 lakh rupees of equity free grant. This is a small push from our end to our community. We have spent over 30 years in the fashion industry working behind the scenes with India's most successful brands. From designing to manufacturing to scale, we have helped over 100 brands globally. Now we bring all of that knowledge, infrastructure, and access to you. It's a launchpad designed to help you go from idea to real revenue generating fashion brands in just 12 weeks. Now, this program isn't for everyone. If you're taking this as an hobby, this isn't the place for you. But if you feel like you really want to launch a fashion brand that lasts and put an impact in the ecosystem, this is a place for you. If you are sitting there with an idea, but you want to stop thinking and start doing right away, this is the place for you. Join India's most premier entrepreneurship program.